In today's video, we'll discuss the steps of cattle feed manufacturing, a small-scale business idea with massive potential. This can be a profitable venture with a growing demand for nutritious cattle feed worldwide. With the rising popularity of poultry farming, goat farming, and livestock rearing like cows and buffaloes, the need for high-quality, nutritious feed has skyrocketed. Farmers and livestock owners are constantly seeking protein-rich feed to enhance the health, growth, and milk production of their animals. As the demand for protein-rich animal feed rises, especially with ingredients like grains, soy, and cottonseed, the market potential for this business is expanding rapidly. So, let's break down the essential steps and cattle feed production process. Market opportunity. The cattle feed market is expanding rapidly due to the growing demand for milk, meat, and other dairy products, driven by rising populations and increasing awareness of livestock health. With a steady need for nutritious and affordable feed, there is a significant opportunity to serve local farmers, large-scale dairy farms, and livestock breeders. Diversifying into premium segments like organic, medicated, or custom-formulated feeds can further enhance profitability and cater to evolving market trends. Setting up a manufacturing unit. Choose a strategic location, preferably close to raw material suppliers and customers. For equipment, you'll need grinders, mixers, pelletizers, and packaging machines. Ensure your facility meets hygiene and safety standards. The size of your setup will depend on your production goals. A small-scale unit may require an investment of $5,000 to $20,000, while larger units could go beyond $50,000. Procuring raw materials. The success of your feed depends largely on the quality of your raw materials. Common ingredients include grains like corn and wheat, soybean meal, fish meal, vitamins, and minerals. Focus on sourcing high-quality inputs from reliable suppliers. Building relationships with local farmers can help reduce costs and ensure consistent supply. You can also consider bulk purchases to lower your per-unit cost. Machine for making feed. Cattle feed manufacturing requires specific machines and equipment to ensure efficient production and high-quality output. One of the essential machines for cattle feed production is the feed pellet machine. Small-scale feed pellet machines typically cost between $1,000 to $2,000 and can produce 100 kilograms per hour, making them suitable for startups and smaller farms. Large-scale machines, on the other hand, range from $10,000 to $50,000 and can produce 1 ton to 10 tons per hour, ideal for commercial operations with high-volume production needs. The choice depends on your business scale and production goals. Understand the production process. The manufacturing process of cattle feed begins with selecting high-quality raw materials such as grains, oilseed meals, molasses, and mineral supplements, ensuring they are free from contaminants like mold or pesticides. Once the raw materials are procured, they go through a cleaning and sorting process to remove dirt, stones, and impurities, ensuring the final product is safe and of superior quality. After grinding, the ingredients are precisely weighed and mixed according to the required feed formulation to create a balanced and nutrient-rich product tailored to livestock needs. The conditioned feed is shaped into pellets or mash using a feed pellet machine or left as a loose mixture depending on the desired product form. Finally, the feed is sieved to remove any broken pellets or dust particles, ensuring a uniform and clean final product. The finished feed is then packaged in durable, labeled bags and stored in a dry, clean environment ready for distribution. This systematic process ensures that the cattle feed is high in quality, easy to consume, and packed with the necessary nutrients to support livestock health and productivity. Legal requirements. Compliance with legal standards is non-negotiable in the animal feed industry. Register your business under the appropriate category: sole proprietorship, partnership, or company. Obtain essential licenses such as the feed manufacturing license and adhere to quality control regulations. Additionally, you'll need to meet labeling standards to include nutritional values, ingredients, and manufacturing details. This builds trust and ensures your product meets regulatory expectations. Marketing for business. Marketing cattle feed in today's market is all about creating a strong connection with your audience and standing out in a competitive landscape. Start by understanding the needs of farmers and livestock owners. They're looking for feed that boosts milk production, using both traditional and modern strategies to maximize your reach. Begin by building relationships with local farming communities through visits, demonstrations, and word-of-mouth referrals. Highlight the unique benefits of your feed, such as improved milk yield or faster growth rates, and position your brand as a trusted partner in livestock management. Leverage digital marketing to reach a broader audience. Use social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram to showcase your product through videos of happy farmers or testimonials. Join farming forums and WhatsApp groups where livestock owners exchange tips. This allows you to share valuable insights while promoting your brand. Building your brand. Branding is key to standing out in this competitive market. Design attractive packaging that highlights your feed's benefits, such as high protein or organic ingredients. Build a strong online presence through social media and a dedicated website. Participate in agricultural expos and workshops to network with potential clients. Offer free samples initially to build trust and gather feedback. Distribution and sales strategies. Lastly, establish an efficient distribution network. You can sell directly to farmers, collaborate with agro dealers, or use e-commerce platforms for bulk orders. Timely delivery and excellent customer service are crucial for retaining clients. Over time, you can explore export opportunities to expand your business globally. Investment required for cattle feed manufacturing. Starting this business requires an initial investment ranging from $12,000 to $18,000 for a small-scale setup. This includes the cost of essential machinery like grinders, mixers, pellet mills, and packaging equipment, which typically accounts for 50-60% of the total budget. Raw material procurement, such as maj, soybean meal, and vitamins, forms another significant portion of the investment. Infrastructure costs, including a production space of about 1,000 to 2,000 square feet. Utilities and storage facilities also contribute to the overall expenses. Additionally, working capital is needed to manage operational costs such as labor, electricity, and logistics. With a well-structured plan, this initial investment can pave the way for a sustainable and profitable business in the livestock feed market. The cattle feed manufacturing business presents a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to invest in the ever-growing livestock and dairy industries. By producing high-quality, nutritious feed and meeting the diverse needs of farmers, this venture ensures consistent demand and steady growth. With scalable operations, opportunities to explore premium market segments like organic or custom feeds, and a manageable initial investment, this business offers a path to long-term profitability while contributing to agricultural sustainability. Thanks for watching. And there you have it, a basic guide to starting your own animal feed manufacturing business. It's a journey that requires hard work and dedication, but the rewards are well worth it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.